everybody. Today we are at McLaren Hospital in Lapeer, Michigan. We're going to take a ride on this elevator. This is one of the central elevators. There's one right there, but that one's on a separate controller. We got something rare. Schindler Haughtons, but guess what? A slap on. That sucks, but at least the logic's original. Go down to the ground. The door close button works. All right, we'll go to 3. Let's press GR as well. There's the phone. You going up?
Yes.
Which one are you going to? 2? Yep. Happy holidays. Alright. Finish up going to 3 and then we'll go to 1. Yep.